Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom crosshair on Xbox. The first method is to use an app called Custom Crosshair, available on the Microsoft Store right on your Xbox. Just head to the store, search for Custom Crosshair, download it, and give it a try. This app claims to work directly on Xbox, and it's designed to overlay a custom crosshair on your screen. It's a quick, easy, and budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their aim without any extra hardware. Now, if you're looking for a more professional setup, the second method is to get a gaming monitor with a built-in crosshair feature. This is probably the best option if you're serious about customization and want a clean, no-fuss crosshair overlay. For example, the LG Ultra Gear monitor has this feature. Just go to Amazon, search for a monitor with crosshair support, and look for models like the LG Ultra Gear. With these monitors, you can press the menu button, find the crosshair option, and choose from various styles. It's super simple and offers great quality. The third method is a budget-friendly hack using monitor games. Crosshair stickers. These are small stickers designed to stick directly on the center of your screen. Just place them where your crosshair would be and you're good to go. It's a simple DIY option that works surprisingly well, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.